It's the newest development in glamping, for those who really want to get away from it all, an amphibious caravan. German designer Daniel Straub wanted to give campers the ultimate freedom on land and water, so he invented the Sealander. The 380-kilogram caravan has a waterproof chassis constructed from glass fibre reinforced plastic. Once afloat, an electric motor can power the caravan through the water at up to 9 km per hour. The bed inside can be converted into benches, and the retracting sunroof makes it easy to lie back and soak up some rays.